Have you heard about general social science? Do you know anything about it? Probably not, because we're just now unveiling GSS for a revolution in the social sciences and humanities. Why do we need a general social science? Well, have you been able to put together the jigsaw puzzle of reality? Can you make sense of the shambles of today's world with the existing social sciences? No. Why not? Because a founding principle in a general language is lacking in the social sciences in the way in which mathematics is the foundation in general language for the exact sciences. Here's an example of the need for a more integrated and universal approach. Just as a professional in the hard sciences requires a foundation in math and general language, so too does a physician require a general education. Before becoming specialists, doctors need training and experience as GPs, general practitioners. The same goes for the social sciences and humanities. Before becoming a communicator, a sociologist, political scientist, psychologist, educator, economist, lawyer, spiritual healer, whatever, each should first go through a general social science curriculum with some math and statistics, learn the meta-language, a scientific method, and the basic tools common to all of them. Today's world is overwhelmed because social complexity is out of control. The so-called social sciences are failing. They lack discipline to solve problems. We can't go on like this. The social sciences and humanities are responsible for the sane organization of society, for defining the good life and well-being, and for minimizing chaos and injustice. A revolutionary general social science is needed. The hard sciences work with the number one, or a monadic paradigm. They isolate and study one thing at a time. One works well for them, since those sciences deal with just a few stable variables at a time. But the social sciences require a triune or triadic, 3-in-1 paradigm, because they have to relate many simultaneous variables which recombine frequently. So instead of taking one thing at a time, general social sciences is always looking at three interrelated, interconnected, integrated elements. A transdisciplinary approach. Our proposal of paradigm, meta-language, and tools uses base 3 math from quantum physics, evident in atomic elements like quarks, and we use a triadic systems model from biology. The atomic and biological levels are then fused with the theory of the human social system and its 14 subsystems, authored by anthropologist and economist A.R. Miller, an Oxford PhD. This set of tools connects the physics, biology, and social sciences of our life. These 3 basic elements make it possible to formulate the general social science with a general foundation, a general language, a scientific method, and other tools which can be applied to all social sciences and humanities. So, what exactly does general social science promote? What's our proposal? We can summarize this revolutionary shift in 3 ways. First, a paradigm shift. General social science replaces the monadic paradigm based on a mechanistic philosophy and isolated entities of Cartesian science. GSS uses a paradigm based on triads, as evidenced by the tripartite atom, the triune brain, the left, right, and center of politics, and the trinities of religions. The shift is always about seeing and taking 3 things at a time, as sets of 3 interacting dynamics of any system. This is the first and essential contribution of the new general social science. Second, general social science promotes the overhaul of social and human sciences by adopting a meta-language, a method and basic tools to be used by all of them. This is called the holographic triadization. The social holograph, a framework or mental map, condenses all the fields of life and knowledge and is one of the basic tools of general social science. Third is the introduction of proportionalism. Proportionalism is the ethics we have always preached and attempted to live by. Moral, philosophical, and practical codes, but now reinforced by revealing and applying its underlying mathematical basis. We should no longer have to endure the speeches on ethics by politicians and philosophers, or believe the oaths of professionalism professed in graduation ceremonies, all of which are empty rhetoric. We need an ethics with numbers that everyone can understand, to monitor the relationship and proportion of rights to duties, costs to benefits, and of the human need to be both loved and loving. We need to measure the interrelationship between give and take, between the three parts of any reality, which then can facilitate mutual coexistence, cooperation, regulation, and control. These then are the contributions of a general social science to help us piece together the jigsaw puzzle of society, to ensure the exercise and benefits of citizenship, and to contribute to a better life. We desperately need a reformulated and improved social sciences and humanities. We can then give up the outdated and senseless debate over capitalism or socialism, both of which are bankrupt. We need new understanding and new social activism to build a new life for the world we share. The cutting-edge social theory and practical application of this new general social science is now being offered online by its author, my mentor and friend, Dr. Gregory. This pioneering course is for everyone: singles, newlyweds, parents, teachers, coaches, therapists, healers, public servants. And the course is certified by the International Academy of Social Cybernetics for Proportionalism. There are no prerequisites. There are 4 modules, each with 10 sessions. Each session will have a short lecture, supplementary readings, and videos. For now, courses are only available in Spanish and Portuguese. Invest $80 US for tuition, and we will reward those completing the course with a reimbursement of $30. Sorry, no refunds for dropouts. Register today at www.wgregory.com.br. Be a pioneer. Dare to be among the first explorers of this new frontier, which has been researched, developed, and applied for over 30 years. Our new frontier is neither the moon nor Mars. Humanity's immediate challenge is to explore, to reach, and to shape new triune minds and triune thinking, here and now. Together, we can meet this challenge. Thank you.